Oh my gosh. I just woke up to a blizzard. All my golf carts, a bunch of snow on the ground. All my golf carts are full of snow. I can't see anything. But this Big Bertha behemoth right here doesn't care. The golf carts might not survive, but I promise you this thing will. See how much snow there is? This is crazy. What's funny is I'm glad I just fixed this thing because I put gas in instead of diesel. Now she's ready to rip. So let's go ahead and go on an adventure with her, shall we? We're getting the cockpit all ready. We got all the glow plugs warmed up, and this thing is ready to roll. Watch this. Fast starters. Dude, the thing I love about this thing is it does not care what's going on. It just rips through everything in front of it. That's the beauty of a Humvee. It doesn't care what's going on, what kind of climbing we have. This thing will just go. This thing will just go, and it does not stop. She does a great job at it too. We're out here in the blizzard. I'm right here in the middle of all of it right now. You see all the snow behind me? I'm just trying to figure out where to go now. We're here in Russia. This is the real blizzard right here. We got the Humvee out here. There's a cop over there looking at me. I'm not worried about him. Look at this thing. Look at all the freaking snow caked up on there. This is crazy. This is what this thing was built for. It does not care what the climate is. It'll rip through everything and anything. Doesn't matter. Look at that. That's sick. Got snow all on my face from that. What the heck? Driving this thing through the snow is not the easiest task in the world. It tends to be a little bit challenging, even though you would think it'd be easy. It's not. It's huge. The thing that people don't realize about this Humvee is that it's so wide it takes over the lane. You gotta be careful that you don't go into the other lane and mess up the other driver. So driving this thing is not the easiest task in the world, especially in the snow. Look like the sun's finally coming out. Still super cold, but you know, the sun is coming out, and this snowstorm is coming to an end finally. This thing loves the snow. It doesn't hesitate. It likes to rip through the snow and have a good time. So yeah, that's what she does. That's what she does.